Hello, my name is Partho. Today I'll be giving you an overview of the Content Samurai platform for producing videos. Especially this is a very easy method for producing professional type of videos. I have just logged into my Content Samurai platform, and one of the thing I just want to mention that this application only works on Google Chrome. It doesn't work on Firefox or any other browsers. So if you just log in, you'll be greeted with this screen where they have given there are one, two, three, four, five. There are five videos to how to get yourself started. And then you can also have a small type of video script where you can put it to test the system. Now if you click here to start using the application, you can start from here, or you can go to your previous videos and also start it. So let me start it. Click here to produce videos. Now just wait for a minute. These are all the videos which I have produced. Now if you want to create a new video, just click here. And first there are series of templates from where you can choose. These are videos from article to video blog post. These are all the templates. Then if you want to make sales video, you can do it. Here you have a background of, suppose you are doing any videos on the medical niche or accounting niche or legal niche. Plus you can also make videos if you are teaching online. Suppose you are teaching in Udemy or Skillshare or anything like that, online teaching platform, you can do that. This is, you can click it and you will see what are the various types of videos you can produce and their templates. You can also produce videos for your social media channels, especially Facebook, because you see they have a special dimensions where you can use this type of templates. Plus this is just a general overview of the system. Now first you have to enter your script. Plus let me click this icon and you can put a title and write or paste your video script here. So I have just have a small PLR article. This is the heading: effective ways to utilize the video marketing platform for your business. Effective ways to utilize video marketing for your business. Just copy it and paste it here on the title, and then again you copy the total body. You copy it and paste it here. Now here there are some ways where you can produce your professional looking videos. First, automatically fit text to the layout, bold keywords to me, select video clips for me. This is a very interesting point. Video clips, they have a tie-up with video blogs, which is costing you roughly around $99 per year as a subscription fee. But if you join the subscription of Content Samurai, you will get it free for you. So let me just start creating scenes for your videos. It will now start creating scenes. It is very easy and it will create scenes in a very easy way. So all my videos and screens are all all my video slides have been produced. Now if you go through it, total 45 slides have been produced. Now you can change clips or images, or you can upload your own images for producing your videos. You just go through it and one by one you can see it. Now after you have produced your videos, you just click on the voice template. If you want to produce music only videos, this is ready. So you can click here and you can directly preview your videos, or you can use auto voice, means they have synthesized voice inside. You can test it. Then you can record your own voice or upload your voice track. After that you do the preview of your video and it will download. In order to I will do more videos on this, on Content Samurai, how you can use it more effective way. Please visit my channel and see for my further videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos.